Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our content. Today we're talking about a very important topic, charity scams. Yes, they exist, and today, we'll share some essential tips on how to protect yourself when donating. Charity scams. How to protect yourself when donating. When you decide to donate to a charity, you're doing so with the best of intentions. You want to help those in need and make a difference. Unfortunately, some unscrupulous individuals and groups take advantage of this generosity, creating fake charities to defraud well-meaning donors. Let's talk about how you can protect yourself. Do your research. First and foremost, do your research. Before you donate, make sure the charity is legitimate. You can do this by checking if the charity is registered on the official public register in your country. Verify the charity's contact information. Ensure the charity has verifiable contact information. Be cautious if they only provide a mobile number or a P.O. box address. Be wary of high-pressure tactics. Legitimate charities won't pressure you to donate immediately. If you feel rushed or pressured into donating, this could be a red flag. Avoid cash donations. If possible, avoid donating by cash, as it is difficult to trace and can be a preferred method for scam charities. Using a check or credit card is a safer option. Ask for written information. Ask the charity for written information about their mission, programs, and finances. Legitimate charities will be more than happy to provide this. Check if the charity is transparent. Transparency is key. Reliable charities will openly share their financial statements and use of funds. Understand the difference between tax-exempt and tax-deductible. Another thing to note is the difference between tax-exempt and tax-deductible. Tax-exempt means the organization doesn't have to pay taxes. Tax-deductible means you can deduct your contribution on your federal income tax return. It's a good practice to ask for a receipt for tax purposes. Be wary of emotional appeals. Scam charities often use emotional appeals to tug at your heartstrings. While many legitimate charities use similar tactics, it's important to not let emotions cloud your judgment. Always do your due diligence. Be cautious with crowdfunding. Crowdfunding can be a great way to help individuals in need, but it's also become a playground for fraudsters. Be extra cautious when donating through these platforms. Check out the credibility of the campaign organizer and how the funds will be used. Check out charity watchdog sites. There are several watchdog sites like Charity Navigator, BBB Wise Giving Alliance, and Charity Watch that rate charities for their trustworthiness and transparency. These can be great resources when researching a charity.